This is a 2-ingredient dark chocolate mousse. Simple, decadent, and packed with nutrients. This mousse proves a few things. 1. A dessert can be easy and healthy and delicious. 2. There are a lot of ingredients that can be used as a natural sweetener. And 3. If you're open-minded to all the creative recipes out there, you might discover something that will become your go-to. Today, we're using dark chocolate and squash. Yes, the good old squash that you'd find in the veggie section of the grocery or market. This is a powerhouse combination. The natural sweetness and creaminess of the squash will perfectly complement the richness of the dark chocolate. You can choose any dark chocolate you want, but as a general guide, the higher the cacao content, the more bitter the taste. But it also brings more antioxidants, minerals, and brain-boosting benefits. And as we all know, squash is packed with nutrients like vitamins A and C, potassium, and fiber. It's low-calorie, filling, and great for digestion. Another plus is that dark chocolate on its own can be quite pricey, so adding squash to it will increase the overall volume without needing too much of it and make you more satisfied. So here's how to make it. First, chop the squash into cubes and steam them for around 10 minutes until soft. Allow them to cool for a few more minutes. While waiting, break the dark chocolate into pieces and microwave in 30-second intervals, stirring between each one. It should take around a minute to completely melt. Be careful not to overheat it. From there, blend the steamed squash and melted chocolate until completely smooth. Pour the mixture into your cup and let it cool before setting it in the fridge for at least 1 hour. When it's set, it's ready. If you want to add a bit of protein to it, you can top it with some yogurt and chopped nuts. Look how smooth that is. It's not too sweet, but just like an indulgent dessert. This is just one example of how nutrient-packed ingredients can be transformed into a simple, delicious dish. If you want to have the traditional chocolate mousse, that's totally fine. But if you're looking for something that you can make quickly, that's also yummy and with more nutrients, then I hope you give this one a try. For tasty and balanced meal ideas that are also quick and easy, you can check out this video right here. And please feel free to subscribe to this channel for more nutrition and wellness videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.